Welcome to my channel. I'm Chris J, and today I'm excited to show you a luxury one-bedroom apartment in downtown Seattle. The apartment itself is located downtown near the Amazon Spheres and is a luxury one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit on the 34th floor. It has 935 square foot of space and goes for $3,845 per month. So that's about $1,700 more than the average rent in Seattle, but it also has quite a bit more space than the average Seattle apartment, sits at a higher floor, and is in a building that was built only 4 years ago in 2017. So let's start the tour. As you can see, the unit has floor-to-ceiling windows. Because it's east-facing, this means plenty of light can get in the morning, and the ceiling is relatively high at, I believe, 10 feet. Turning over, we have a closet with a full-size washer and dryer. As you can know, I'm a big fan of that. It's very convenient to have in an apartment. But otherwise, let's first take a quick peek at the kitchen itself. As you can see, the kitchen is relatively large with plenty of space. You have storage all around the refrigerator itself, and the refrigerator itself is a full-size refrigerator. This is much larger than what I have in my apartment, and it's really nice because if you want to store a lot of food or you want to host guests, it's really nice to have a lot of storage space in your refrigerator, places where you can put drinks and everything that you need. Another nice feature is just all the cabinet space and counter space that you have. The sink's a little small, but it's definitely complemented with a lot of counter space that you could use for putting your groceries, for cooking. It's almost as if it's made to have multiple people cooking at once. I also really like the lighting that the kitchen has. It's kind of nice that you can't see it and it's more or less hidden away. And it's also nice because it has a lot of different plugins. So you could have multiple appliances working at the same time. You can have your own coffee making machine, a toaster, pretty much whatever you need, there's room for it in this kitchen. And one part that I actually really like is having an island. I know that the island isn't necessary because they already give you a lot of counter space, but having itself just really, it extends the kitchen and it makes it feel more complete for me. And it actually has its own wine cooler. I don't drink wine, so personally I would never use this, but if you like wine, this is probably the apartment for you. Directly across the kitchen, you get an amazing view of the city. Honestly, this is one of my favorite views in Seattle. Because this is an east-facing window, as I said before, it gets plenty of sunlight in the morning, and even during the afternoon when the sun's not directly shining into the apartment, it's still really bright because of the floor-to-ceiling windows. It's also amazing just the view that you get. You could see Capitol Hill and pretty much all of Lake Union. The other nice thing is that you still have a lot of privacy. From the buildings far away, they really can't make out your figure, so you pretty much have all the privacy that you need. You have a very large kitchen, one of the largest that I've seen in a single bedroom unit, and it has plenty of space for you to put a large couch, a large TV, and really any decorations that you'd want. There's also the bathroom, which features 2 separate sinks and a lot more space than most one bedrooms in Seattle have. Although I do personally prefer one larger sink than 2 separate smaller sinks. And the bathroom only has a shower, and I always like the option of being able to take a bath, even though I almost never do. It's still a really great bathroom though. The mirror is large. It has, again, a lot of space for storing whatever you want. The other crazy thing about the bathroom itself isn't even the bathroom, it's the fact that it has a full walk-in closet connected to it. So you have a lot of storage for pretty much everything that you need. Nice. And walking through, the bathroom and the closet actually connect directly to the bedroom. The bedroom has a pretty decent size and has an amazing view, although bed placement could interfere with the bathroom entrance or block some of the window. I otherwise think it has plenty of space with a great view. It does have carpet floors, which in my opinion, I'm not the biggest fan of. I prefer wood floors and then I could put my own carpet in, but I know that some people do like that. It does make the ground a little warmer, but then again, I also like having the option of including my own carpet into the room. And walking back out to the main living room, there is one thing that I did forget, which was actually another closet. So if the wardrobe wasn't big enough for you, we've got another storage space right here. This one closet is about the same size as the only closet in my room, which I found that had enough space. So this apartment has more than enough space. You have a giant wardrobe and a closet here, and the washer and dryer machine where you can put your dirty clothes. So plenty of space, a great view, all around pretty amazing. Overall, I really enjoy this apartment space itself. It has a pretty open living space, a huge kitchen with enough space to cook, and it has some of the most amazing views. I am a big fan of the floor-to-ceiling windows, and it's far enough away from the other buildings so that way you could still have your privacy even while you could look outside. Overall, this definitely does live up to its name as a luxury apartment. You get a great space in a lively neighborhood. And even if you get tired of the apartment, the building has a rooftop lounge area with even better views. I won't get into that today, that's a video for another time. I had fun making this video and hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. I'd like to make videos that you're interested in. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great week.